welcome back to our Facebook page. So take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now again take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Fix them into each other and then tie the hairs together and it's ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail and fix this bow on the hairs. Now to fix its ribbon, we will divide the hairs and make the plaits on the hairs like this. So watch it very carefully how we are fixing it by making the plaits. So here we are following little different technique to fix the ribbon and the hairs like this. So fold them together like this and fix them by rolling it one by one till the end and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. For more such interesting videos, follow our page. Next, take the hairs on the sides and then make the plaits on it by taking small sections like this. Join the hairs one by one as shown in the video. Fix it by joining the hairs together. Now keep taking the hairs from the sides in the small sections like this and roll it together like this. Fold the hairs carefully as we are taking the hairs from the sides. Join it till the end and then fix it the hairs on the other side as well in the same manner. Take it till the end like this. Fix it by pulling out the hairs from the sides and it's ready. Next, take the hairs in the front and then make the plaits on it. Join the hairs as shown in the video. Now take the hairs from the other side like this. Join the hairs together using the rubber band and then rotate it. Now after rotating the hairs, fix the hairs by taking from the other side and then make the plaits on it and take it to the left side and fix the hairs in the same manner. Tie them together using a rubber band. Fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.